Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Media 7. What are the things that you need to know about Media 7 FTA channels. So Media 7 is basically on the northeast 26 degrees, but it's really near the multi-TV signal. Okay, so Media 7, you're gonna find the frequency on your screen, which is 10970 vertical 2750. Key in this TP and you start tracking. It's just on top of the multi-TV signal, so you can get both of them on a single satellite dish. I did a video earlier on how you can actually get multi-TV and any Media 7, but it's not maybe clear enough, so I'll do a backup video on that. So if you want to get only the Media 7 channels on your FTA decoder, it's on the northeast and above multi-TV signal. For you to get it easier, first get a multi-TV signal. So the first thing that you have to do is to know the direction whereby you're gonna get your channel. That is the east. So if you don't know your east, get a compass. Most of the smartphones have a pre-installed compass in it, so use your smartphone to actually know your east and then turn the satellite dish to face that place. Start tracking, and you can use a 50 centimeter 60 from 50 upwards. Any dish ranging from 50 upwards, you can actually use it to get these Media 7 channels, which is an FTA channel. So maybe you are wondering whether there is nothing being shown on your multi-TV or your FTA decoder. You can actually add the Media 7 FTA channels to enjoy some of the things that they telecast over there. At first they were having AFA sports, but now the AFA sport has been moved to a different position, so I'm going to give you updates on that as well. So if you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless.